Fellow South Africans, please do stand up and stand on guard. The president is now within our midst. Yeah, let's do the correct thing. President Tus Nombolo 10 iyona lento namcela ushoti. Your Excellence, greetings. He's not alone. Uhamba nama ministers wakhe. Uyayibona lento, uhamba nama ministers wakhe. A president is never alone. Yeah. Honorable President, address the nation.
Yes, my brother, you are welcome, my brother. You are right when you say I'm not going alone. A president can never go alone.
Yeah.
A president is always surrounded with ministers and his security forces.
President.
These are my ministers and these are my security forces. Yes, you touch me, you touch them.
Yeah, President.
You can't touch me.
Yeah.
When I'm with them, you can't touch me. Yes, coming to today's game, we are at Kanyamazan. Kanyamazan Stadium. We were watching EDPs playing against Evander.
Yes.
Hey, today's game.
Hey, Clinton Lassine, man.
Clinton, it was a tough match. You are right, my minister. That's why I will promote you next time.
Yeah.
I will give you another portfolio.
Yeah,
because
go on.
you are here.
Yeah.
Yes. Coming to today's games. Today's game, it was a difficult game for both teams.
Oh,
Starting on the first half.
President.
The first half, it was for
Evander.
Evander.
Yeah.
They were pressing
Yo,
in everywhere.
Aish.
There was this guy, number 19. Ngwadla. It's Ngwadla, number 19.
So,
That one.
short
He's a dynamite.
Short pace.
You know what they say? Dynamite come in small packages.
Yeah.
I saw it today in that player number 19.
Yes, sir.
Then there was this guy. I am calling him a Springbok. Number 11. That colored guy. He can play. He can play. I think it's from Kimberley where they produce a diamond.
Right back, yo, President.
That boy, I think it's from Kimberley. And pick up to Ilo, away team, Evander. Evander, it was prepared for today's games. For today's game. And if you can check, the last game here, they were playing against Lirumo. And they won that game.
Yeah.
They were away. And even today, they thought they are going to win. Yeah. But you don't just come and win.
Highest catching.
You don't come here and win. Only team that won here, it's Milford. Only Milford. And it gave us 3-1. But today's game, and coming to second half.
Yeah.
Second half, EDPs. Ikhombisile ukuthi no. Babuye kahle emqondweni basi no, we're at home.
Yeah.
We must play for our fans. We must play for this page.
The page.
They are not playing for themselves.
The page.
It's not their team. This is our team. They are playing for this page, not for themselves. But EDPs yethu le.
Yeah.
Akusike vet yethu. EDPs yethu.
Yeah.
EDPs yethu. And nanga second half.
Yes,
Coach usebenze kakhulu coach.
Free.
Makachintsha lama players afaka bomashilane bomabhena.
Yeah.
Ukhombisile ukuthi no now it's late now. I must win the game. I want 3 points. Monga checka Evander, it's number 10 on the log.
Yeah.
And now number 10, angadid number 10 wabo. If they won today's game, they're going to be number 5. They're going to kick us from number 5.
Please,
Yes, we are number 5. But back number 10 with the 8 points.
Yeah.
EDPs, it's number 5 with the 12 points. So today, the score, I'm not angry about the score. The score, we shared it among us.
Yeah.
Because EDPs bait deserve a point Nelo. Never the bait deserve a point according to the both halves. Because first half it was theirs.
Yeah.
Second half it was ours.
Please.
So we are staying there at number 5.
Yeah.
We are untouchable there. We are standing there. Yes, my brother.
But performance yabafana namhla behlobe kahle kakhulu namphathi. Mphathi second half manibuya. Hey, angivisisi usikondakalani mphathi. Mphathi ngiva bathi la team inini bathi kunalenye Rootman la bathi kunamkhabela la team in.
Innocent captain.
Khabela ukhuluma nga innocent.
Hayi man,
Innocent phela if maybe labanye abamat innocent uthi innocent is coming far. He's coming far. Innocent na Kaizer Chiefs unalo goal. Udlale Kaizer Chiefs.
Batshele president.
Udlale minister kapho udlalele iphi lenye team because I'm platinum.
Udlale Super Sports United, udlale Platinum Stars.
Yeah.
usuka kuSivutha udlalile kuSivutha. Yeah, a very good player to be honest. Yeah.
Yes. That is why I'm having this minister. He's always updated with things.
Your files are
Because I'm always busy. I sometimes forget things.
Yeah, President.
The minister is here to remind me. Yes, lento idlale kakhulu. Mkhabela udlale kakhulu, and even today's game. That is why nelibhandile kuye. Ula, he's a captain.
Yeah.
Ubambile le team. And namashilwane sengizocela interview. Namashilwane makangena udlalile mashilwane, but he was unfortunate not to score that last chance like Tolile. He was supposed to score that goal. Ngikhuluma nanyalo lel goal lapha kule bhola leya.
Yeah.
Ngabe nyalo sesikhuphule sisi number 2 or around number 2 or 3.
Ngabe Johnny Kasrik
Ngabe sikasrik ne Milford sihlola so Milford. Mara, we are coming there.
Yeah, President.
They mustn't sit comfortably there.
Yeah.
They must know that Matim Alam Pumalanga, they are coming there. Ide Peace is coming there. Ikruka is coming there. Laba that MFC. Is it MFC?
Mutsepe Foundation Championship.
Yes, it's MFC.
Yeah.
MFC. Kufune hambe neteam yala Mpumalanga.
It's not 3 my team.
It's not vele team ilo. Kufune hambe nathi. You can't put 3 teams in a league, then you expect nothing from them.
Yeah.
All of the teams ba perform. Abasiya start very simple malanga siya ga PSL, maswa PSL, then stoba net derby here to with TS Galaxy and Nalei one leto phuma la. Sifuna kona lokho simple malanga, and thank you for attendance yala muhla. They right, it was good, and my fans at Petsegahle. That is why I'm a president of fans.
President.
My portfolio is to make sure that my fans are right, my players are right, everything that concerns my fans. Ne game la phakathi, I'm in charge. I will be blamed.
President too.
Yes, that is why that portfolio.
You are not called president for nothing.
I'm not the president for nothing. Meaning I'm president because I was chosen by the people. If I don't deliver to the people, they will demote me. I'm here for the people, so I must render that service. For those people, they want me to deliver. That is why I'm here. I'm all over everywhere. That's why even tomorrow I'm going to Gapogwen.
Bachele Mongamel.
Gapogwen Stadium, the Hollywood Bet.
Yeah.
Super League.
President.
It's TS Galaxy Queens against it's Richmond.
Yeah, Richmond.
Yes, I will be there. Bang bitile Gapogwen because whenever I'm there, there's peace, there's harmony, there's everything.
President.
Yes. Ngipusha ibhola lakhaya,
President.
and I will not stop ngipusha ibhola lakhaya singafiki to that standard. Impumalanga ngiyayibona iphasi. Mabangibeka kulesikhundla, they saw ukuthi Impumalanga iphansi, so I must uplift Impumalanga. There is no way ukuthi Impumalanga ngiyaba phasi. It is the way, it is the rising place of the rising sun. There's no team like Pumalanga khona ibe phansi. I-province lenjalo. Asiphamisa ibhola. Asiphamisa ibhola lethu. I'm all over. When you need me, I'm all over. Thank you, my brother.
Man of integrity, President Truth, President, with your permission. President.
Amen.
President in his ministers.
Yes, with my